Hello, YouTube. Welcome back. Every once in a while, an old machine lands on the bench that makes you stop and take a second look. Not the kind of relic you brush dirt off with an archaeologist's pick, but the kind that comes from an earlier chapter in the computer age. Most of our 12-volt Mac Mini upgrades happen on the newer M-series models. By now, those are pretty straightforward. You know what to expect. But this time, things were a little different. This one had Intel inside. And when somebody asked if a machine like this could still be brought over to 12-volt power, the answer was the same as it usually is when a problem gets interesting. Probably, if you're willing to take it apart and find out. Turns out it could. Here's how we did it. First, you've got to clear some breathing room. Once the antenna and the fan are out of the way, you can finally get into the heart of the machine. We disconnect the power cable, then the hard drive cable. Now, we're getting somewhere. Antenna, fan cables, all clear. But don't forget that motherboard screw. It's the little things that usually get you. Once that's out, the whole board just slides right out with the help of the screwdriver. Now the power supply. This is what kept everything running the old way. But we're moving to something a little more efficient. Once this is out, there's no going back. This is where things can go wrong, fast. You've got to test each lead, and make sure you know exactly what's positive and what's negative. No shortcuts here. Positive, negative, identified. Now we cut the cable and hook those leads into the DC regulator. From here on, we're running things our way. Setting up the DC regulator is a bit of a process. First dial, low cutoff. Second dial, actual voltage. Third dial, max current. Once those are dialed in, this old Intel Mac Mini is ready for a whole new life. Board's wrapped. Now, we just clear some space for the heat sinks. You've got to let him breathe, or the whole thing's just going to cook itself. Nice and cool. There it is. No matter how many times you do this, that Mac chime, it's still a sweet sound, especially when you know it's running on 12 volts. It's a long way from the wall outlet, but it's exactly where it belongs. It's the things people don't see that usually matter the most. On the inside, a little hidden signature for a job that's finally complete. One last thing before we go. If you found this helpful, or even just a little bit interesting, hit that like button. It's not every day you see an older Intel Mac Mini get a second lease on life, running on 12 volts. If you want to see what else we can pull off the bench and power up, hit that subscribe button. There's always another problem, just waiting for a creative solution. Until next time, keep tinkering.